Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I've been waiting weeks to film this video. Today I'm unboxing something that genuinely marks a new era for me. A Cartier timepiece that I've honestly had on my wish list for a very long time. This has completely changed how I see jewelry, elegance, and honestly myself. Before we get to her, I have something equally special to show you because it ties into my whole philosophy of building a timeless wardrobe, and it's honestly changed the way I buy jewelry forever. Earlier this year, I bought myself a Cartier Panthère watch, and I didn't realize at the time, but this one purchase taught me to be intentional, to buy things that aren't just beautiful today, but beautiful in 20+ years. It's made me ask myself, who am I becoming? What pieces represent that woman? And that thought is honestly the point of today's video. Intentional, timeless investment pieces and jewelry that grows with you. This brings me perfectly in today's integration with Idyl, a brand that I've just discovered and I've grown to love in the short time that I've owned their pieces. I don't think I could have discovered this brand at a better time, especially with the festive season and gifting period coming up. And I don't know if you can tell, but I'm actually wearing some Idyl pieces, these beautiful diamonds that I'm currently wearing, and I haven't stopped wearing since I received these pieces. Now, the reason I love Idyl is because their pieces are modular, timeless, and their values align deeply with how I approach my wardrobe now. So for anyone new to Idyl, they create fine jewelry using solid 14K gold bases and lab-grown diamonds. And the magic is that everything is modular. You buy a base, then you can attach different diamond add-ons or drops, so one pair of earrings can become 10 different looks. I absolutely love the customization that comes with their pieces, and I'm going to show you everything in this beautiful box. Also, Idyl is family owned. It's co-founded by Ornella and her family, and in the short time that I've gotten to know Ornella, I've just fallen in love with Idyl even more. The beautiful thing about a family owned business, I feel, is like there's a lot more attention to detail. It's beautiful. Idyl pieces come with this gorgeous pouch, and inside, of course, you'll find your cleaning kit to make sure your diamonds always sparkle. I love this cleaning kit because I can frequently clean my Idyl diamonds so they can always have that sparkle. So I'm wearing from Idyl my Lucia yellow gold diamonds. Modular jewelry means that each individual component can be combined and rearranged to create different looks. So I received these beautiful diamond studs, and this is my Lucia, and it has 4 holes so you can actually place the studs depending on where you want. Lucia creates a mismatched look with a simple stud. So I've got one simple stud here from Idyl, and I'm going to take my Lucia, I'm going to place it actually in the second hole. And that's what it looks like. I think it's beautiful for every day. And I also have my matching Lucia pendant paired with my earrings, and I just think that is so incredibly beautiful. I was having dinner the other day with my cousin, and she was sat across the table from me, and the way these diamonds glistened all night, she was literally like asking me where my diamonds were from, and I told her that they were from Idyl. So I have a few more jewelry to show you as well. Now I also received another pair of beautiful diamond earrings called Ella. These are going to be perfect for like evenings or like Christmas parties, events, all the beautiful things that we have planned this festive season. Well, these pieces are pretty timeless. You'd want to wear them everywhere. Do you know what I love the most about this? Idyl's main mission is to make the wearer, or us as women, the main character, right? These are pieces that you can definitely layer with your existing pieces. I personally decided to wear these as they are just to show you because I just think they're so beautiful. They go incredibly well as well with my outfit. So this is Ella, which I think is just so incredible. It's like a drop earring. I take my stud and then I pass my diamond studs through the drop earring and then just pop it on nicely. The beautiful thing about Idyl is that you buy one base and then you just keep adding on as you go. You can build your collection with beautiful, look at that. You buy one base and then you can keep adding to it as your style evolves. I'm just going to take off Lena and I'm going to take the second pair of earrings, Ella. Gosh, there's something so powerful about a woman in diamonds. I just love it so much. You can style these earrings in many different ways without feeling like you have to buy new pieces every month, which I love because I'm being more intentional about the pieces I buy. And now for the necklace, I'm going to put on a matching Ella pendant to create the perfect matching look. So incredibly elegant. I mean, I just love it so much. I just love how interchangeable everything is. So if I wanted more of an everyday look, I would swap out my Ella for my Lena pendant instead. I just think it's so incredibly beautiful. these pieces are meant to be worn forever, and I just love the really good price points as well. And I think if you're a fine jewelry lover, comparing the prices of Idyl to Tiffany or Van Cleef, it's pretty pricey. So I think the fact that Idyl allows us to enjoy luxury at such great prices is honestly a game changer. Now I went with the yellow gold diamonds from Idyl because it's gonna match what I'm gonna unbox in here with you today. Also, I feel like Idyl pieces make me want to get an extra ear piercing, because when you start with a stud and then you add to it, each piece almost feels like a journey. Gosh, I love it so much. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep my Ella set on as I unbox the rest of the pieces in this Cartier box. Just so beautiful. Thank you so much, Idyl, for sending me these beautiful pieces. Okay, so shall we dive into this box? I've been meaning to do this unboxing for weeks now, so I'm just so excited that I get to unbox this with you. I guess I can definitely say that it is beginning to feel a lot like Christmas, because this is my first Christmas gift to myself, even though we're like towards the end of November. Okay, so let's get into the start of the show. Also guys, as much as I don't really want this to be like a rushed unboxing, it is getting pretty dark right now in London, so I will try and sort of like breeze through this as fast as we can. So stay till the end, because I'm going to show you how I actually style my new Cartier watch with day-to-day outfits, like for daytime and nighttime, that sort of thing. If you love luxury fashion and sustainable buying and shopping and styling, that sort of thing, I would really love you to be a part of my community, and please subscribe to my channel. We're all basically on a journey to building like really good, intentional and sustainable pieces in our wardrobe, from jewelry to fashion and all that good stuff. So ladies and gentlemen, this watch is special. I've admired the Cartier Baignoire for years, not just because it's elegant, but because it's a piece of history. I think I'm gonna unbox this watch and then we can talk through like the design and what I love about it and its timeless appeal, that sort of thing. Also, two things that the watch comes with, I just want to really quickly show you. Just like my Idyl pieces came with, or any luxury jewelry or watches, that sort of thing, you get your cleaning kit, which is actually going to come in handy when you see the watch that I got. I will be wearing this watch a lot to parties and events and dancing and dinners and travel. I'm going to collect so many memories with this watch that I bet it will need a bit of cleaning sometimes. Also, travel pouch, which is pretty useful. I love to have a good place to keep all my pieces when I travel. Hey, it's getting pretty dark. When I got my Cartier Panthère watch at the beginning of this year in January, it honestly opened up a whole world of possibilities for me. I had reached a huge financial goal in my life. I think for me, I've always dreamed about owning a Cartier watch, right? And this is honestly my philosophy. If you've ever been someone that's dreamt about something, whether it's owning a particular watch or buying a particular house, maybe even seeing yourself like speaking on stage and speaking to like many people, or even going to university and graduating top of your class, whatever your goal in life is, if you've ever dreamt of something in life that you really want to have that you don't have yet, I believe there's a version of you in the future that has that thing. And how I like to look at it is, you set a goal of something your future self has, and your current self, you basically put systems in place to make sure you achieve that goal. So whatever that could be, right? In my case, you guys probably know this if you watch my channel previously. However, if you're new here, I work in digital marketing. I work as a fashion blogger. I recently started, well, a couple months ago, I started a digital marketing agency. I would say that I've always seen myself as someone who would own like a business in the future, right? Where like I am working with a team of people. I have like clients I'm helping to achieve their marketing goals, business goals, that sort of thing. The systems I put in place would be a strong mindset, routine, a portfolio of work, showing that you can actually deliver results, and just showing up for yourself every day. Like whatever it is in life, just creating a system where you're consistently showing up and doing the best you can every day. It's probably something I'm going to go into in depth in a future video. I got myself my dream watch, which is honestly the best way to end the year. So yeah, let's unbox my dream watch together. Also, I remember in my previous video, when I unboxed my Panthère watch, I had already like taken off the packaging and the classic white packaging. However, for this video, I made sure like everything is still intact. So please make sure you like this video, because I delayed gratification for you. And that is a very hard thing to do, especially when it comes to Cartier. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you one of my dream watches of 2025. I'm just gonna make sure that that is focusing, because we've lost all the light, but that's okay, because I'm gonna show you what it looks like on and that sort of thing. This is a Cartier Baignoire watch with an alligator strap and diamond bezel. Honestly, wow. I'm gonna show you even closer. I mean, are you kidding me? Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Oh my goodness, honestly, I love it so much. So we have here this beautiful like dark green alligator strap with a yellow gold bezel. Can you see those pavé diamonds on it? I'm gonna do a close-up. I'm gonna show you what that looks like properly. Oh my goodness. We have to put that on immediately, stat, right now. I'm gonna show you what that looks like on my wrist. So beautiful. This watch I got is in a small size. Hold on, I'm just gonna make sure I get that right because for some reason I thought my Panthère was a mini size. This is actually a small size. And this is also a small size. If you can see the comparison of both of them. God, I love it so much. So I'd worked with the same essay that I got my Cartier Panthère watch from. I inquired about a Baignoire watch straight after I got my Panthère watch. There were quite a variety to choose from. I know the popular Baignoire is the one with the gold bangle that like everyone loves so much. And honestly, I love that watch so much as well. I can't tell you how many times I've tried it on. But you know what the thing is? I wanted something really special. Also, I really apologize for that shadow. I've just switched on my light and it's getting pretty dark, so I'm gonna try and breeze through this as quickly as we can, and then we're gonna style my new Cartier watch. Wow, can you see those diamonds? I think it's, oh my goodness, I think it's glistening a lot more now because I've got my light on. So I inquired about the Cartier Baignoire watch straight after I got my Panthère, and the watches I had on my wish list at the time was the gold bangle Baignoire and a classic Baignoire with a yellow gold dial with a leather strap. And I really loved the leather strap because I felt like it gave the watch more of like a versatility to it, sort of like more easy to wear every day kind of thing. I mean, I feel like this Panthère watch is so beautiful, right? You can wear it every single day. The movement of the Panthère is sort of like the way an actual Panthère walks. It's got that beautiful fluidity to it. And trust me, I would know because I have a black cat that lives with me in my apartment, and she is the true embodiment of a Panthère. She would probably be a Cartier ambassador if she could, if she gave a damn about jewelry and diamonds and that sort of thing. The Cartier Baignoire, however, has the shape of a bathtub. Baignoire is bathtub in French. It might sound pretty unglamorous, but the elongated oval shape is surprisingly elegant and distinctive. And over the years, Cartier has refined this watch while keeping the essence of the shape intact. And it's been done in different ways, like in a bangle form, as a leather strap, making it a timeless signature in Cartier's watchmaking excellence. Gosh, I just love it so much. Also, I went for the Baignoire with the diamond just because I felt like it's a little bit more special. And with all the hard work and sleepless nights and endless meetings, and I would say grind that I had to, I don't want to say had to endure because I brought this upon myself and I took full responsibility for like any career decisions that I've decided to make for myself this year. But I just feel like it's really paid off. I love luxury. I work as a luxury fashion blogger, so I do enjoy those finer things in life. But I think different people have different goals and different things that they want to acquire in life. If you ever envision yourself having anything at all in this life, just know that there's a future version of you that has that thing. You just have to align yourself and your systems in place to reach that future version of yourself. So let's say I received a text from my boyfriend telling me that he's literally downstairs and I should get dressed for dinner. And of course, I want to wear my new Cartier Baignoire watch, which celebrates a new milestone in my life. This is the outfit I would be wearing. I'm wearing one of my favorite evening dresses, one of my favorite evening bags of all time. I think this would even be a perfect look for a birthday, probably some sort of black tie event. Also, I'm wearing my Saint Laurent meals. These ones I just got recently. I'm gonna link every single thing I'm wearing below. The versatility in this timepiece shows through the fact that I can switch up my look and it still looks beautiful. This is something I would wear to a meeting or an event too. And now for everyday, this watch pairs beautifully with a casual outfit. I've combined it here with very minimal everyday jewelry, and my Baignoire elevates my look once again. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next week.